Today we are going to talk about 2022 Part B premium costs and IRMAA, IRMAA. What does IRMAA mean? So IRMAA is like income related monthly adjustment amount. So very important because let's say you're turning 65 and you want to know what's your Part B premium like. Part B premium depends upon what's your prior year's tax return that you have submitted. IRMAA is calculated based on that. So I just want to go over a certain table that will give you some guidelines on how much you are going to pay from a Part B premium standpoint. So for 2022, this is 2022, and every year this number changes. So we'll definitely release 2022 and 2023 numbers on our website. But for now, let's focus on 2022. So let's say if your yearly income in 2020 was, like, say you're filing individual taxes, okay? Individual taxes, and you filed $91,000 or less. As a single payer, taxpayer, $91,000 or less. And then you pay each month $170.10. That's your Medicare Part B premium. So $91,000 or less, you pay $170, and it's a single taxpayer. If you're filing jointly, just double that amount. If you're paying $182,000 or less, and a lot of people ask me this question, Nash, this is after tax, before tax? This is all pre-tax. So $182,000 gross income, and if you're paying that, your premium is, as a joint, $182,000, $170.10. The next bracket is if you're single taxpayer and your salary is between $91,000 and $114,000, $91,000 and $114,000, then you're paying each month $238.10. $238.10 for Part B premium. Now, a lot of people have asked me, Nash, if I'm a business owner, I'm an entrepreneur, you can claim this as a deduction in your tax returns, so that this is an insurance premium that you're paying actually. So that's a benefit that you have. But a lot of people who work, they don't have, they're not self-employed. Now they have to pay out of this pocket and they can't claim any deductions. If you're a joint taxpayer and pay $182,000 and $228,000, you are within that bracket, $182,000 to $228,000 joint. From a tax return standpoint, joint filing, you pay $238.10. We'll actually upload this document so that you're careful with your budgeting and stuff like that, but that's what you're paying, $238. Then if you're single, you're making between $114,000 and $142,000, then you're paying $340. So you get the idea. There are brackets of income, single taxpayer and a joint taxpayer. The brackets of income determine that how much you will pay for a Part B premium. So if you made less money, then you pay less, and the minimum is $170.10. The max, I will say, if I go straight to this amount, if you're making single taxpayer above $500,000 or $500,000 or more, you pay per person, you pay $578.30. $578.30, $500,000 or more. And jointly, wife and husband or partner make, let's say, joint tax return of $750 and above. Same thing, $578 a month. So look at this sheet that we're going to attach. This is the IRMAA calculation for Part B premiums. And you have to understand where you fall in which bucket. Majority of my clients, either somewhere around, between 182 and 228,000 joint filers. Some are single also. So I have seen people pay $170.10 or $238. Very few are above 500,000. It differs, if you have a big thriving business and you're making a lot of money, so you have to pay a little bit extra for your Part B premium. As I mentioned, we have Part B premium and IRMAA related Part B premium schedule. There is also IRMAA specific Part D. Part D stands for prescription drugs. So this again, schedule is very important, because if you're again single tax filer, 91,000 or less, you pay your plan premium. Now if you're making more than 91,000 and between 114,000, single tax filer, then you pay extra $12.40 plus your plan premium. So a lot of people will say, when we are proposing a prescription drug plan, we say this is the premium amount, but they come back and say, Nash, we are paying extra a little bit. Why? That's because based on your tax returns, you qualify, you pay a little extra. But if you made a little bit less than 91,000, you just pay whatever the plan premium is. But if you're making more, let's say a joint tax filing couple, they made somewhere around 182,000 or in between 182 and 228,000. They're paying $12.40 in addition to the plan premium. So you're sharing some additional costs because you had made a little bit extra money. This is the Part D specific IRMAA plan. Please look at the spreadsheet. And this is on Medicare.gov as well. We haven't recreated this. We're just sharing as an education purpose so that, when you have questions around your premiums and your budgeting, when you turn 65, these things matter a lot.